Looks like I'm like, this is my birthing view.
Yeah.
Come on, Dad. Guys, it's moving day. I moved my small business from my parents' basement into my own studio. Yeah? No. Yes, Nina, I like till Saturday. Yeah. They're finally here.
So much room for activity! Wow, I don't gotta do anything. Hi guys. Hi guys! Warehouse tour on the wagon. You're gonna hit that.
It's moving day, part 1. I'm gonna not talk a lot because we have a lot to do. Let's do it. I'm just packing up a little bit of the boxes here, and then the movers are coming very soon. It is Wednesday, July 7th, 7:12 a.m. Next time you see the garage, it's gonna be empty. It's gonna be empty. Thanks, Mom and Dad.
Moving day, congratulations. But this side good.
This way?
Muốn lấy thùng nữa không? Còn
Yeah.
măng đâu cần cắt nhiều thì bãi lại kia.
For us doing last minute packaging, and we have a bunch of mail. A bunch of your like scrunchie orders that need to go out that my dad's putting in the car now so the movers don't like accidentally take it, because that'd be like my worst nightmare. And it's raining. It's raining. It's raining and I have a garage full of stuff. When are the movers gonna be here? I'm sick of last minute packaging. Ew, what's that dry spot on my nose?
Đến trên đi qua lấy thùng đó.
Okay. I'm gonna help him. Last minute packing up a bunch of stuff. Look, at least the closet's free now. This closet was full before. It's like 11 a.m. and one mental breakdown later. They're finally here.
Yeah, everyday. Yeah.
They're here. Let's go. See you guys at the warehouse. It still looks very full, but like they took a lot of stuff out. Cindy came! What are these? Are so cool!
You like them? $6, giant tiger.
Oh.
Sao đông tôi, sao đông thôi. Có màu đen rồi đó, đẹp. Có nhiều màu.
Let's go! We're just watching them carry all the heavy stuff. That's all. Bye. We're doing a haul while they're hauling.
Yeah.
Got this rib knit dress. It's really long
And a small.
We're just making
Very
use of our
basic.
time sitting here. We couldn't wait.
Very basic.
My stomach hurts.
Gotta try it on.
Oh, this was
That's
the jumpsuit I wanted to wear to the interview yesterday, and it didn't arrive on time. But I'm glad. Because I liked what I
like
wore.
what you wore. More on brand.
Things worked out. Things just work out. Oh, and it's conscious.
It's actually pretty fun. Short sleeve.
It's like a t-shirt structured jumpsuit. The worst haul ever. You can't see anything.
My belly a little bit.
So nice.
That are like not too casual, like not a jogger. Like
I don't
our
think
whole family's
those
rocking
will
it.
look good on me.
They could. BB ball. It's just backless-ish. It's kind of fun.
Or sit on the steps and chill.
Now what?
Yeah.
What someone's like.
That's my truck!
Oh, isn't that car the mover car? So that's why they turned it?
That's them.
Well, that's okay that they turned
Oh.
it. You know.
20% done moving, technically. Not even, like maybe 10%. I don't know. I got my stuff. Okay. Yeah?
Oh, there it is.
Yeah, hook daddy.
Did you just go hook like you know that song? Guys, Corny's here.
I'm
And
always
Cindy. Corny is the new member of our team. I haven't even properly introduced.
It's true. It's like as if everyone already knows.
I will play a clip here of how we met. Hi. Can I ask you a question? Are you wearing an XXL Scrunchie? Oh my god, I made that.
Awesome.
Do you want to be on my vlog?
Sure.
Okay. Oh, okay. I know.
It's not even a good part of the song.
Okay. Microwave.
Vậy để đâu?
Mình có bàn để lên but nó chưa.
Thì chứ để floor hả? Mà để lên cái box.
Dạ để lên cái floor.
Mà open cái box nữa mà để lên cái box.
Cái này cái bàn ba mở làm được.
À, được kia tôi làm cái hồi không cái bên kia. Oh.
It is like 3 o'clock and my dad went to go get all of us food except for me because I packed my whole meal. And look at all these shelves. And I just built the shelf you guys are rolling on. I'll put your waters over here. Wanna see it?
Thank you.
First time.
Come on, man.
is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights.
Không có hoa để lên cái này đó.
Dạ cái này khó nhất.
Cái này có để siêu này hả bên đây.
Dạ.
Đẹp đây. Siêu plastic để hết bên kia.
Dạ. Cảm ơn ba.
Mai mai chúng ta để đâu rồi.
Ở ngoài đó. Dạ.
Ok, vào đây đem vậy này.
Dạ.
You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high, even if the sky is falling down. Jumping from cliffs so high, trusting our wings to fly. Sometimes we're crashing down, but we get up and start from the ground. And I really wanna know, if I never figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high, even if the sky is falling down. Even if the sky is falling down, yeah. The sky is falling down. Even if the sky is falling down, even if the sky is falling down.
Yay. Yay.
Cái này lót kia bó rập ra hả?
Let's have a team huddle in the look at what they did. Look what they did. Looks like nothing, but it's a lot.
Nothing.
But it's a lot.
Let's go visit Courtney. Let's see what she's doing.
It's like what, 7 p.m.? 7?
This is the time for fun.
7. Do you wanna like stay till 8?
Do you want to like stay forever?
Wanna sleep over?
Let's just all sleep at the warehouse tonight.
Okay, we're visiting Courtney, my bad.
We're visiting Courtney. Come on, look at her doing all this
your
work.
wagonness.
I just like left her and now she's doing it alone.
Show me the wagonness. Oh, I'll do this on my angle. So we got this free wagon from Uline because I bought so much stupid stuff.
It's the best thing out of everything. I don't even care about the other stuff.
Look at all this room though. I'm gonna crash. I'll bring you back. Here you go.
Tuck myself in. Let's get my point of view.
Yeah. I think we can play the sound.
Okay, well, it's your fault for not pre-turning it off.
I think we shout so. This looks so cool.
Looks like I'm like this is my birthing view.
Yeah.
Okay. Deliver me to Courtney.
Okay.
Delivered.
Delivered. Thank you, ma'am. No tip. How do I get it? Is it uncomfortable though? Because using bars.
Oh yeah. It's like you're trying to dance to the song.
I can't.
I'm just watching.
Thank you. Amazing though. Amazing.
Amazing. That's it for today. That's all you guys are gonna see because I don't want to do anything else. Okay, bye for tonight, day one.
The
Our
socks
feet are
are
dead.
The socks are damp.
Courtney's
Damn.
feet are fine. She's fine.
We're dead.
See you tomorrow. What time do you come tomorrow? 9. Yay! I don't even know. We'll be there. Would you ever? What's happening? What is that?
It's just the nail, the car.
Whoa, cool. Would you ever get in someone's car and leave your backpack on because you didn't want to take it off?
I guess, but
like-
I never get driven by someone else. I'm always the one with the car. You know?
True. Did you ever take the bus?
No, I was.
I would just like leave my backpack on and sit for the whole bus ride with my
Yeah, I
backpack
can kind
on.
of see that. I feel like in someone's car, I would take it off, but in the bus, I keep it on.
I feel like I smell so bad.
I'm wearing the same outfit tomorrow and get ready.
Guys, like for part 2.
It's gonna happen. Shh. Little do they know.
Bye.
Bye. She's not looking. Well, it's over.
Oh, she's looking. Oh, she's not.
Oh.
Oh, she's looking.